What's up guys, welcome to SEUN Autos, and I have another good car for you. This car is not a good car, this car is a heavy car. Check this out. See how aggressive this bumper is. Toyota did a lot of work on this model of Camry. This is the 2020 model. See your custom alloy rim direct from Toyota. And this is so sharp. This 18 rim alloy rim, very sharp. Let me show you around this car. Just check this out. See these designs, and it's a sport edition. Right here, you can see it's a sport edition. You know, Camry has lots of space normally. This is a 5-passenger vehicle, but look at the back of this car right now. 4 persons can sit down comfortably inside this vehicle, and there is lots of leg space and head space. Just check this out. Very comfortable. Look at how clean your interior is. You have about 3 colors right here. You have your ash, your silver, your ash. Very comfortable. Very smart. You have your screen, lots of functions right here. From your steering to your dashboard, you have lots of functions right here. You have where you can plug your phone and outlets. Let me show you the engine room of this car. It's very clean. And it's like a spirit. Check this out. Very clean. See, it has not been used in Nigeria untouched. This is direct foreign use. All your papers, custom duties, bill of landing. You don't have any issue with custom. You have your spare tire kit here, your jack, your wheel spanner, accident free. Can you see this? Accident free. It has not been jammed before. There's no salvage record on this car. You have your reverse camera right here. Check this out. You know, when you come into your vehicle and you see all this, you have peace of mind that it's very clean and sharp. This car has lots of prestige. It's a luxurious car. I want to show you the mileage of this car. 35. Can you see that? 35,664 miles. That is a good mileage for this car. I want to say a big thank you for checking SEUN Autos out. And this Camry is 2020 model, and it's going for 32 million naira. If you order this car straight from us, you can deliver it to you anywhere in Nigeria. 32 million naira due to the exchange rates and clearing and forwarding of all these vehicles right now. I want to say a big thank you for checking us out.